Tell me when you're ready.
Okay, I guess.
They're seeing who can stand balance on the basketball the longest.
You're doing good, dude.
He's going to his happy place.
I'm next. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Into the happy place. Where is that place? If you were to put it, well, you didn't.
Y'all don't make him laugh now. Y'all are trying to make him focus Joel to focus.
He's at his happy place.
Yes, he is.
Alright, timer starts as soon as you let go of the chair.
That ain't how gonna beat me.
I doubt it, John. Daddy's just gonna be honest with you. I'm pretty sure you guys. Go, girl. Standing on that basketball is not easy. Okay, you ready, skater?
I don't think
Stand up, everybody.
Okay,
What do you think, bud?
I don't think I can do that.
Okay.
Alright, here's Tyler's time.
He already He's at his happy place. He's at his happy place.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa! Making up funny stuff.
Stop. The gazelle's no more.
Okay, give me another chance.
Keep on going, boy. Keep on going. Don't touch the chair. That'll be your time.
Man, you're gonna stand there all
A
night.
minute and a half.
Oh,
That is
I'm
not.
a
looking.
minute and 33.
I got to get Fallon to help me with that gravy right there. I don't know what to do. We had to add in a little butter. 2 or 3 tablespoons of flour, everybody. We beat the rooster this morning. A little more milk. Nothing like some sausage gravy in the mornings.
Put it in the pan, okay? But right here,
Vegetable.
I suppose all this is.
Where do I need to cut it out, Bert?
actually, if you open this, these are in half sticks. You grab one of those half sticks.
Like, I love butter. Here's 1 cup.
I'm cooking.
It's Tyler's birthday today, y'all. Sissy is helping me make the food, and Tyler also wants to help. He wants to help make his own birthday supper, so he picked mashed potatoes, pinto beans, pork chops, and cornbread, and chocolate cake as his birthday cake. Just a plain old, nothing fancy, chocolate cake.
We might want to cover it and keep it hot then.
Okay, folks, now I'm going to come to you to explain something to you. I've been married for almost 24 years, and yes, we have 5 kids. What I can tell you to anyone that's starting this journey is if you go to a Zipline deal and they're closed, that's the worst. You go to another one and they're closed, and your kid's life is over. That is the ultimate worst. And they will look at you, Dad, like, why don't you go open it back up and let us Zipline? And you're like, kids, I can't do that because Daddy will go to jail before church. And I have to go preach the gospel. I can't be up here in the slammer. So what do? The next thing is you say, would you like to ride the mountain coaster? The mountain coaster is, that's over in 4 minutes. And you're like, well, hold back on it a little. Make it go 5. We're gonna get out right here and behold these beautiful lights right here and walk around and try to figure out something else to do.
Tyler wanted to do the zip line for his birthday, but just like it happens sometimes
Sorry.
Folks, let me start. I'm gonna start
sorry. I'm sorry, y'all. Little blooper. I'm leaving it back there.
I'm starting over.
It's coming with me. Let's speed up. Like other problems in life, if you'll just keep walking and don't stop and smell it.
No,
Keep walking.
It's coming.
You'll get through it, folks. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Well, I feel better.
Tyler wanted to do the zip line for his birthday, but all the zip lines have already closed up for today. They stay open till 5 and 6, but in these touristy towns, sometimes if they're not busy, they will close up early because I guess they get tired of waiting on people and they decide they want to go home. So we're gonna come back on another day for those.
This is the spot that me and Fallon normally will sit down and watch people do selfies. We're fixing to bring to y'all, because we've seen so many selfies now.
Yeah.
We're fixing to bring to y'all the selfie stereotype. And I believe we got it down to pat. First of all, you look around and see if anybody's looking at you. And if they ain't looking at you, you go ahead and get that pose.
Yeah, do the something in the distance one.
If I wanted somebody to be like, man, he's at the sunshine, I would find, I'd casually walk over and just...
Yeah. Buy 4, get 1 free. Lavender infused socks.
What do you know?
Christmas socks, those are pretty. Oh dear, that's cute. Oh, they're playing that Christmas jazz.
Set the banner.
Christmas jazz, that's where it's at.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen it? What's that? Hello there.
Oh, hello. They have some area hats over here, Tyler. Davy. Okay, the tilt made it better.
This is it right here. And we saw something here in the water.
It was huge.
That thing was big. I mean, it was some kind of big fish. One night it was just right here.
Mm-hmm.
And it's the truth. I mean, it was huge, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was like as old as me.
It was a big fish. That fish looked like it was at least 4 foot long, and I'm not even joking. Like, I've been joking a lot right now, but now I'm going in serious mode on you. This thing was 3.5, 4 foot long, sitting there just staying right there in that one spot.
I'm not sure how I always get talked into this, but here we are.
Here we go.
Do you have the time?
I got it for him for his birthday.
Yeah.
What?
Nice. He got him that pocket watch. 36 days.
Oh, free samples.
They've got chocolate mint fudge samples.
Mama, could you hold my chocolate milk? I want to try one.
Here's your sample. It's mint chocolate. Or chocolate
That's
mint.
very good.
Pumpkin pie fudge. It's the flavor of the month.
These are little chickens.
It's Willie the Wildwood Bear. Jonah, did you see this tiny little fishing rod?
Yes.